top of 1 p.m. we speak on this row over Bharat Mata that continues in the state of Kerala. Now the CPI has withdrawn a poster in connection with a local party event that was held from 13th of June till 15th that was carrying an image of Bharat Mata dressed in a tricolour sari and holding the national flag. Now, amidst the ongoing national debate over symbolism of Bharat Mata, a local unit of the CPI in Kottayam created a flutter by releasing a party poster featuring an image of Bharat Mata, albeit in a different avatar. Now, the withdrawal comes after the BJP congratulated the CPI's district leadership for issuing a poster featuring an image of Bharat Mata earlier. The CPI leader and Minister Prasad, who had boycotted the Environment Day event at the Raj Bhavan over the same Bharat Mata portrait. However, when left or the CPI releases a poster, it takes it back.
You know, these are child's play. Today putting one, tomorrow removing it. And in this play on name of Mata, it is disgusting. If you have any respect for your mother, you cannot behave like that and use it for religious purpose, for political purpose, for electoral purpose. And because of that is happening, if you are sincere enough to respect your mother and use the mother's image for the development of the fraternal relation of the people of the country, you would behave differently. But you want the communal benefit out of that.
For the CPI, for the AIYF, Bharat Mata means the land and the people and the national flag. We can find no other Bharat Mata other than the national flag. This great nation do not know that symbol which the RSS propagates as if it is the Bharat Mata. They have depicted a map there. Which is that map? I don't know. Which is that map? That map is unknown to India. Then a lady on a lion carrying a saffron flag. We don't know what it is.
Arpita connected with us live right now. Arpita, why was the poster withdrawn in the first place?
So now CPI is going to hold a meeting between June 13th to 15th. So for that meeting, they had first released a poster with Bharat Mata holding a national flag. But later they withdrew it when they realized that they are going to get into trouble because earlier CPI Minister P. Prasad had boycotted World Environment Day event when they had decided to hold it at Raj Bhavan, but seeing Bharat Mata portrait kept at the Raj Bhavan event, he had asked the governor to remove the portrait, after which when the Raj Bhavan officials denied removing the portrait, they had boycotted the event and they had shifted the event to another place. So now the CPI from the Kottayam district, they have withdrawn the poster thinking that they will get into trouble. In fact, the district secretary had come forward and said that...
Is there anything to be ashamed of? Because Bharat Mata is a proud symbol of India. That is what she represents the entire country. Is the CPI ashamed of the tricolour?
So the CPI secretary had come forward and said that Bharat Mata represents RSS ideologies. It is a symbol of RSS and therefore they do not want to associate any RSS. This is the same justification that earlier Minister Prasad also had mentioned, saying that Bharat Mata is a symbol that is associated with RSS. So that is the justification. They are saying that they do not want to get associated with RSS and they do not want to use a symbol.
Embarrassing position that the CBI seems to be finding itself with as far as now withdrawing a local party event poster featuring a different version of the image showing the Bharat Mata holding the national tricolour. It seems that the CBI found itself in an embarrassing situation. Let's play out exactly how the BJP is now reacting, because the BJP is now claiming